My name is G. Kurmaya, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Co-Education, Vanaparthi. Now we discuss about chemical properties of alcohols. Chemical properties of alcohols. Chemical properties of alcohols. Alcohols. It's a very simple reaction. Alcohols also. So first, it is first to react with metal or metal hydroxides to form salts compound. Metals or metal hydroxide to form salts. If you take alcohols react with sodium metal to form sodium oxides. Sodium oxides. If you take it is alcohol OH plus sodium metal react with sodium metal to form sodium alkoxide Na plus of H2. Sodium alkoxide is formed. Sodium alcohol, sodium alkoxide. Alcohol, sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide is formed. If you take for example any alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. If reacted with the sodium metal, sodium ethoxide is formed. Sodium ethoxide, that is C2H5ONa plus H2. It is sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide is formed. It is first of all formation of formation of salts. These are salts compound. Now we discuss about another reaction, that is esterification. Next reaction, that is esterification. If take esterification. 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 Esterification means formation of esters. Alcohols react with water. Alcohols are reactive with water in presence of acid. Alcohols react with carboxylic acid in presence of acids to form ester compound. It is called esterification reaction. Alcohols react with carboxylic acids. If you take any alcohols or OH react with carboxylic acids, it is C double bond O OH. Alcohol carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid in presence of acid or concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated H2SO4, sulfuric acid to form ester compound, that is R C double bond O OR plus C double bond O R plus another one water molecule, that is H2O. This ester is formed. It is called esterification. If you take any example of esterification reaction, that is carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid, CS3 C double bond O, OH, and react with ethyl alcohol or what may be. Ethyl alcohol C2H5OH, C2H5OH in presence of, it is a reversible reaction in presence of H plus acid, H plus, to form ethyl acetate, that is CH3, C double bond O and C2H5 plus H2O. This ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is formed. Acetate. It is called esterification reaction. Now a discussion about mechanism of esterification reaction. Mechanism of esterification. So a very simple reaction. Mechanism. Very simple. That is first acetic acid CH3, C double bond O, OH, and react in presence of H plus. First of all, H plus, in presence of H plus. It is also a reversible reaction, what may be. H plus. So what happened here? Oxygen have a lone pair electron. This H plus ion addition with oxygen to form here CH3 and O double bond H here plus next oxygen OH. OH is formed. Next what happened here? These electron pair between the oxygen and carbon electron pair directly shifted to oxygen. Why? Because oxygen have a less electron density. So this bonded electron goes to oxygen. So next what happened? Carbon form a carbocation. That is CH3 and OH. Next here OH. Carbon have a positive charge. These positive charged carbon atoms are called carbocation or carbonium ion, what may be. Carbocation or carbonium ion. It is further reacted with alcohol, that is you take ethyl alcohol. Further react with C2H5OH. You know already, oxygen have a lone pair. This lone pair electron directly bonded with carbocation. Directly bonded with carbocation. So form here also, that is CH3 and OH. Next here OH. Next carbon, oxygen, here hydrogen, here C2H5. So what happened here? Oxygen have a less electron density, so it is positive charge. Oxygen, positive charge oxygen is formed. This positive charge oxygen further between the carbon and oxygen electron pair goes to oxygen. So this electron pair goes to oxygen. So hydrogen eliminated has a H plus ion. Proton, that is a proton, minus one proton is eliminated. Now that is CH3 and oxygen, hydrogen, here OH. Next oxygen, C2H5 is formed, C2H5. Then what happened here also, between the carbon and hydrogen electron pair shifted between the carbon and oxygen. So that is next this electron shifted to here. Here proton eliminated as a H plus ion. Next it is eliminated as a OH minus. So H plus OH minus to form water molecule. Next CH3 and C double bond O, here oxygen, next C2H5. That is ethyl acetate is formed. It is a mechanism of esterification. You form ester preparation method, or what may be the chemical properties of alcohol. What may be, it is a common reaction, that is a esterification reaction. Now a discussion about some reactions, that is pyridinium chloride. On oxidation, in process of oxidation of pyridinium chloride. Pyridinium chloride. Now a discussion about another reaction. Chemical property, that is pyridinium, PCC. Oxidation of PCC. What like? So very simple reactions. It is an important reaction esterification. In alcohol, very important reaction of esterification with mechanism also. Now we will discuss about another reaction, that is PCC. On oxidation of PCC, primary alcohols on oxidation of PCC to form aldehyde compounds. It is a very simple reaction. PCC, pyridinium chloride, chlorochromate, pyridinium, oxidation of pyridinium chlorochromate, on oxidation of pyridinium chlorochromate. It is a very simple called PCC. On oxidation of primary alcohols in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate to form aldehyde compound. It's a very simple reaction. On oxidation of oxidation means adding of oxygen, something. That's enough. In presence of PCC to form or CHO, what may be, or CHO. If you take another one, that is alcohol means CH2 and CH3, CH2OH. If you take a general reaction, alcohol. So here also same, that is CH3 and CHO. It is acetaldehyde is formed. Acetaldehyde is formed. It is an oxidation reaction of alcohols. If you take any alcohols, same compound is formed. If you take general, also same, R and CH2OH. On oxidation in presence of PCC, on oxidation PCC to form here also same, that is R CHO SH2. Here also H2. This aldehyde is formed. Aldehyde compound is formed. It is another preparation. Next, on oxidation of concentrated nitric acid. On oxidation of concentrated nitric acid. Oxidation of concentrate HNO3. Here also a very simple reaction. On oxidation of primary alcohols in presence of concentrated nitric acid to form carboxylic acids. Primary, secondary alcohols here to give carboxylic acids. What may be? Primary or secondary alcohols? Primary and secondary alcohols. On oxidation, if you take primary alcohol, that is R CH2OH, on oxidation in presence of concentrated HNO3 nitric acid to form carboxylic acid or COOH, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is formed. If you take any example of this type of reaction, any example, that is CH3 and CHO, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on oxidation in process of concentrated HNO3 to form acetic acid, that is a carboxylic acid, CH3COOH. Acetic acid is formed. Acetic acid is formed. Okay, next another one, opener oxidation. On oxidation of alcohols with carbonyl compounds, that is acetone, in presence of aluminum isopropoxide to form ketone compound, that is isopropyl alcohol is formed. Ketone, that is opener oxidation. It is opener oxidation also same. Opener oxidation. These are oxidation reactions of alcohols. Opener. Opener oxidation. These are very simple reactions. Alcohols with carbonyl compounds, acetone, oxidation in presence of aluminum isopropoxide, to form secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol and ketone compound. If you take alcohol, that is called opener oxidation. Secondary alcohol plus any alcohol ketone compound, that is acetone, C double bond O CH3 and CH3, acetone. On oxidation in presence of aluminum isopropoxide, ALO CH3 taken 3, aluminum isopropoxide to form alcohols and carbonyl compounds, that is a ketone. Alcohols converted as a ketones converted as a alcohol. Ketone plus, that is CH3 CHOH, that's CH3, isopropyl alcohol, propyl alcohol is formed. It is called opener oxidation reaction. Next, oxidation reaction. Oxidation of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol in presence of acidic potassium dichromate or alkali KMnO4 to form acetaldehyde compounds. That is acetaldehyde, what we mean, that is aldehyde compound is formed. Acetaldehyde, primary, secondary acetaldehyde, tertiary alkene is formed. It is oxidation. If we take any primary alcohol, on oxidation of primary alcohol in presence of primary alcohol CH3 CH2 OH, primary alcohol on oxidation of acidic K2Cr2O7 oblique H plus, acidic potassium dichromate and basic KMNO4, NO4, it is oblique OH minus, alkali potassium permanganate or acidic potassium dichromate, what may be. On oxidation, to form here also, that is halide compounds, that is acetaldehyde is formed, that is CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde is formed. If you take a secondary alcohol, in the process of same reagent, two ketone is formed. That is same A, B, the CH3, isopropyl alcohol, that is OH, secondary alcohol, CH3, secondary alcohol. It is isopropyl alcohol in process of same reagent, K2 Cr2 O7 oblique H plus or KMNO4 oblique OH minus, alkali KMNO4, to form acetoketone, that is a CH3 C double bond O CH3, acetone compound is formed. If you take tertiary alcohols, in process of same reagent to form alkene compounds.